Dear students, in our last lecture from the topic differential equation, we have studied the concept of differential equation, in that the definition of differential equation, and also we have studied how to find out the order of a differential equation and degree of a differential equation. So let us revise the concept of order of a differential equation. Now differential equation involves the independent variable, dependent variable and derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Means, for example, if the function is given y is equal to f of x, with respect to that, if y is involved or x is involved in that equation, and also if dy by dx is there, then the combination of that is called as differential equation. Means differential equation means the equation which involves the dependent variable, independent variable and the term of the derivative, that is derivative of y with respect to x, then that equation is called as differential equation. Now what do you mean by order of a differential equation? In that case, how will you determine? It is the order of the highest order derivative occurring in that differential equation. Means first order, second order derivative, third order derivative, fourth order derivative. Means dy by dx means first order, d square y upon dx square is second order, d cube y upon dx cube is third order, d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4 means fourth order, so on like this. The highest order means it must be highest, and it is highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation, that is called as order of a differential equation. And now what is the meaning of degree of a differential equation? It is the power of the highest order derivative when all the derivatives are made free from fractional indices and negative sign if any. Means first of all, degree means it is the power of highest order derivative, but what we have to do here, first of all we have to do that all the derivatives are made free from fractional indices or negative sign. Means the index of any term need not be fractional or negative. If it is so, then you have to convert it into a regular form, and so that you will get the power of highest order derivative, and that will be the degree of differential equation. Okay, now we will solve the exercise 8.1. so let us see here. Now see, the question is given, determine the order and degree of the following differential equations. Very important question for 2 marks. Okay, we have to determine order and degree of the following differential equation. We will solve this one by one. Okay, so let us see now. Now first equation is given, first differential equation is given. I will write here. See, d square x upon dt square plus dx by dt bracket square plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here x depends on t, because the d square x upon dt square plus dx by dt bracket square plus 8 is equal to 0 is given to you. So here the original function is x depends on t is given to you. Now we have to determine the order and degree of this differential equation. Now see the order first, which is the highest order derivative. So if you observe the first term, then it is d square x upon dt square. So it is the second order derivative involved in this function, and there is no any negative index or fractional index. So you can write the order as 2, because the highest order is second order derivative, so order is equal to 2, and degree, as there is no any fractional index or negative index, so power of highest order derivative. Now see this term, and we have to write the degree as a power of this derivative, this second order derivative. Now the power of this is 1. Power means index of this. See, if it is, this is the highest order derivative, and see the power here, index is 1. Okay, so that's why degree is equal to 1. Remember how to get the order and degree. So this is for first example. Now let us consider the second example, second differential equation. See here, d square y upon dx square raised to 2 plus dy by dx raised to 2 is equal to a raised to x. Now in this case also, see the highest order derivative, here it is second order derivative, and the degree means it is the power of highest order derivative. Now there is no any negative or fractional indices. So now see, this is the index, or this is the power of the highest order. So here you can write the degree is equal to 2. So order 2 and degree also 2. Order means highest order and degree means it is the power of highest order. Okay, so solve like this. Just the question is for 2 marks or for 1 marks. Now third one, here it is d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4 plus in bracket 1 plus dy by dx bracket square raised to 3. Now first of all we have to write the order, means higher order derivative. So here if you observe, there is no any fractional or negative index. So here the order is fourth order derivative is involved here, because it is d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4. And now to determine the degree, we have to observe the power of highest order derivative. Now here it is highest order derivative, its power is not given. Not given means it will be 1. So the degree is 1 because there is no any fractional or negative index. Okay, so order is equal to 4 and degree is equal to 1. So very simple. Now fourth one. Now fourth one is given in the form of y triple dash bracket square plus 2 into y double dash bracket square plus 6 into y dash plus 7 into y is equal to 0. Okay, this type of differential equation is given. Now what is the meaning of y triple dash? See, the function is given y is equal to f of x. Usually its derivative can be written as dy by dx with respect to x, or symbol you can use like this, y dash. Dy by dx means y dash. This is called as first order derivative. Okay, usually we use dy by dx, but sometimes we will use y dash also. Similarly, second order derivative can be expressed as d square y upon dx square, or it can be also written as y double dash, that is second order derivative. Okay, and if you take another derivative, then it will be d cube y upon dx cube. Usually we use this, but it can be also written as y triple dash, and it is called as third order. So the symbol is just change here. So this is the third order derivative. This is y double dash means second order derivative, means actually it is d square y upon dx square. Y dash means dy by dx. Now see, there is no any fractional or negative index. So order, that is highest order, here it is y triple dash. So the order is 3. And degree means it is the power of highest order derivative. Now here this is the power of highest order derivative and it is 2. So the degree of this differential equation is equal to 2. So see this, see all these symbols, and then you can write the order and degree of this differential equation also. Okay, now last one, fifth one. See here, differential equation is given under root 1 plus 1 upon dy by dx bracket square is equal to dy by dx raised to 3 by 2. Now first of all, if you observe this, then there is a fractional index 3 by 2 and here it is square root is given to you. So first of all, we have to remove this fractional index from both the sides. So to get the order as well as degree, especially degree if you want, then we have to remove the fractional indices by mathematically. We have to square on both sides. So squaring both sides, first of all we will take a square on both sides, squaring both sides. Then what happens? From the left hand side, the square root will get cancelled and you will get the equation 1 plus 1 upon dy by dx bracket square. Okay, is equal to, from here after squaring to the right hand side, it will be dy by dx bracket cube. 1 by 2 index will get cancelled, so you will get this. Now see, we have to decide the order of this differential equation. It is clear that the first order derivative is included here. Okay, so order is first order, means order is equal to 1, and we have to find out the power of this dy by dx, so that it will be a degree of the differential equation. But before that, here it is 1 upon dy by dx raised to 2. Actually it is 1 plus dy by dx raised to minus 2, right? Because 1 upon dy by dx square means dy by dx raised to minus 2, and it is equal to dy by dx bracket cube. Okay, so to remove this negative index, we have to multiply this equation by dy by dx raised to 2. If you multiply this equation by, to remove that negative index, we will multiply both sides by dy by dx raised to 2, so that negative index will get cancelled, this one. Okay, so multiply LHS as well as RHS. So dy by dx square into 1 is dy by dx square, plus now dy by dx raised to minus 2 into dy by dx square, you will get 1, and to the right hand side, this is already dy by dx cube into dy by dx square, so it will be dy by dx raised to 5. Okay, so see this. See here, by multiplying both sides by dy by dx raised to 2, we get this equation. Now it is ready to find out the order and degree of this differential equation. Now order of the differential equation is 1 here, because the higher order derivative is dy by dx here. Okay, and the degree, that is the power of highest order derivative which is involved here, so it is 5. So degree is 5 and order is 1. So today we have completed how to find out the order and degree of the given differential equation. If there is a fractional or negative index, then you have to remove that first, and then you have to decide the degree of the differential equation. Okay, so see this carefully and try to solve or try to find out the order and degree of the given differential equation. Okay, thank you.